Toyota finalized a $250 million investment in Joby Aviation, marking the completion of the first half of its previously announced $500 million commitment. As a result, Toyota has become Joby's largest shareholder, holding a 15.3% stake in the company, which surpasses the stake held by Joby's CEO Joby. The investment is part of Toyota's broader commitment to provide $894 million in funding to Joby, with the second tranche of the $500 million investment expected to close later this year. A U.S. spokesman for Toyota has confirmed the payment. Joby is one of several companies developing electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, also known as air taxis, which are designed to transport customers on short commuter journeys using battery power. The company recently revised its timeline for commercial services, now aiming to start operations in Dubai by early 2026, after previously targeting the end of this year. However, Joby still awaits certification for flight operations from the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration and regulators in other countries. Tetsuo "Ted" Ogawa, CEO of Toyota North America, hailed the investment as a significant milestone that cements the collaboration between Toyota and Joby. Toyota's investment in Joby began in 2020, and its venture capital arm participated in a funding round 2 years prior. These investments are specifically aimed at supporting the certification and commercial production of Joby's electric air taxi, underscoring the mutual commitment to deepening integration and delivering next-generation travel to global markets. The investment brings the two companies a step closer to a strategic manufacturing alliance, leveraging Toyota's legendary production expertise to enhance Joby's ability to scale cutting-edge design and manufacturing. According to Joby, the partnership with Toyota has already yielded benefits in streamlining manufacturing processes and optimizing design. Bivert emphasized that the investment is an important next step in the alliance, enabling Joby to meet the demands of its partners and customers. Tetsuo "Ted" Ogawa, CEO of Toyota North America, echoed Bivert's sentiments, stating that the milestone further cements the collaboration and alignment between the two companies. Ogawa highlighted that the investment reflects the shared dream of mobility for all and the commitment to achieving a future of air mobility.